Welcome to the maintenance tape for the ITS Squeezer trailer. The following preventative maintenance schedule is recommended for all Innovative Transportation Service strict squeezer trailers to maximize performance and enhance longevity. Monthly, grease all fittings with unit running, in other words, with the chain moving. Oil chains and look for broken links. Check oil level in wheel hubs. Check tire pressure. Check hydraulic oil in reservoir. Fill to 1/4 below high mark. Replace all missing dust covers. Quarterly. Change hydraulic oil filter and date replacement. Check oil in torque converter. Check for proper pressure and adjust as necessary. Check chain length at full pressure. Check stabilizer for alignment and 1 3/4 lean at top unloaded. Check end fittings on lock and push bars. Check for damaged logistic track. Check corner post extensions. Repair as necessary to keep straight and prevent interference with rear sprockets. Check bottom rails, both sides for broken or cracked post. Repair as necessary. Check bulkheads for broken or damaged angles, missing wheels, etc. Repair as necessary. Note, do not weld aluminum on bulkhead. Adjust trailer brakes. Annually, drain and refill reservoir with hydraulic oil. Drain and refill torque converter with proper oil. Remove, clean, grease, and replace idler arm bushings. Replace tension spring if necessary. Roller chains should be lubricated each month using a high-quality, non-detergent lubricating oil, such as the hydraulic oil used in the operating system of your squeezer. Apply the oil to the upper edges of all chain link plates. From there, it will enter the pin bushing and bushing roller joints, which are the most critical points for lubrication. The oil can be applied by hand using a suitable brush. However, special chain oilers are available from Innovative Transportation Services that will save time and ensure complete and uniform lubrication. Sprocket shaft bushings, idler arm sprockets, and idler arm bushings should be lubricated monthly using a high-quality, low operating temperature lubricant, such as Shell Super Duty grease. Apply the grease generously with a high-pressure grease gun while running the chains. Always replace the quick connect dust covers to eliminate the possibility of contamination to the hydraulic system. Clean and check the adjustment of the roller chains at least quarterly as follows. First, remove the front sprocket box covers and the lower chain track closure angles to remove any accumulation of dirt, foam crumbs, or any other debris. Wipe the chains with a clean cloth if necessary before applying the new lubricant. Next, check roller chain adjustment. Remove the torque hub box cover and observe the chain and idler arm under a full compression load. If the idler arm yoke protrudes more than 2.5 inches outside the torque hub box, or if the chains are closer than 2 inches with the idler arm completely pulled forward, you should shorten the chains. Remove as many links as required to create 3 inches or more between the chains under a full compression load. Removing 1 link should shorten the full length of the chains by 1.5 inches. Removing 2 links should shorten the chains approximately 3 inches, and so on. Use the following procedure to shorten chains. 1. Return the stabilizers to the rear of the trailer until the master link in the roller chain tail is at the 2 o'clock position in the drive sprocket. 2. Trap the chain using a sturdy hardwood 2x4 board and a deep-throated 14-inch C-clamp. Drive the board between the inside front of the torque hub box and the chain on the front of the drive sprocket. Then place the C-clamp around the board and all the way around the chain to the rear of the drive. Tighten the C-clamp to assure that the chain and drive sprocket do not turn. Remove the idler arm spring and move the idler arm assembly out of the way. 3. Attach one end of a 2-ton chain jack to the front of the steel bottom plate of the stabilizer on the chain to be shortened. The other end is attached to the rear corner post of the trailer on the same side. Tighten the jack to move the stabilizer towards the rear of the trailer to create enough slack to remove the master link. Then you can remove as many links as necessary to shorten the chain. 4. After the chain has been shortened, reconnect the master link. Slowly release the pressure from the chain jack. Remove the C-clamp and 2x4 only when there is no tension on the chain and the chain jack has been removed. Reattach the idler arm spring and reinstall the torque hub box cover. Check the torque hub for any visible damage. The same procedure is used as above to replace a broken taper lock bushing, leaking torque hub seal, drive sprocket, or torque hub. 1. After the master link is removed and the chain broken, release the tension from the chain and disconnect one end of the chain jack. Torque hub repairs can now be completed. 2. Remove the C-clamp and the 2x4 and move the chain out of the way. 3. Remove the TrueArc retaining ring from the torque hub shaft. 4. Remove the set screws from the taper lock bushing. 5. Insert a set screw into the odd hole in the taper lock bushing to assist removing the bushing. If the bushing does not pop out of the gear, tap the sprocket with a hammer or use a gear puller to remove the sprocket and taper lock bushing. 6. With the gear removed, the torque hub seal can be replaced. 7. After the repairs are completed, reverse the procedure, reconnect the chain, and remove the chain jack. Check stabilizer alignment quarterly. 1. Both stabilizers must always be at the same distance from the rear of the trailer and should be parallel to each other. They must align laterally. If they are not, the alignment must be corrected immediately. To align the stabilizers, use the following procedure. A. Be sure that the squeezer operating unit is off. B. Remove the drive motor synchronizing shaft. The brake will hold the left side and allow the right motor shaft to be turned. Using a pipe wrench or vice clamp, turn the motor shaft to align the rear of the stabilizers the same distance from the rear of the trailer. C. Reinstall the synchronizing shaft. 2. Check the stabilizer lean quarterly. The top of the stabilizer should be in front of the bottom of the stabilizer by approximately 2 3/4 inches at a resting position. While under a full compression load, the stabilizer should be perpendicular to the trailer floor. To adjust the stabilizer lean, you adjust the top tension cable at the front of the trailer. If under full compression load, the stabilizer leans rearward at the top. The high tension cable, top cable at front of trailer, must be shortened as follows. A. With the trailer empty, remove the eye-bolt retainer and eye-bolt from the cable turnbuckle in the upper front rope anchor and tighten the turnbuckle until a 2 3/4 inch forward lean from vertical is obtained at the top of the stabilizer. A side panel seam or side post gives a good vertical reference line, or a carpenter level may be used. After adjusting, reinstall the eye-bolt and eye-bolt retainer. Check all bulkheads for broken or damaged boards, angles, or wheels regularly to reduce damage to the foam. Broken angles and boards should be replaced using bolts or rivets. Do not weld the aluminum boards. Check lock bars regularly for missing retainer pins or broken end fittings. Replace broken end fittings using the retainer pin supplied and not a bolt. Check the logistic tracks regularly for elongated or broken slots. Replace damaged track promptly to assure proper securing and alignment of lock bars. For a Squeezer 2 trailer with exterior posts, check posts regularly for cracked or broken posts. Cracks from the bolt hole down have little effect on the side post flexing during loading or unloading. However, Broken posts in the web, hat section, or damaged posts should be capped or replaced promptly to eliminate the zipper effect. Several posts cracked or broken in the same area. Do not weld the aluminum side posts. If you ever need replacement parts for the squeezer trailer, please call us at 704-399-3700. All parts for the ITS squeezer trailer in stock and ready for immediate shipment. In this tape, we've tried to address the basic maintenance and care of the squeezer trailer. But if you have questions about your squeezer trailer, please do not hesitate to call us at Innovative Transportation Service.